Curious about the 2025 RAM ProMaster's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard has a sleek, functional design with an intuitive layout for easy accessibility. It features durable materials and an ergonomic structure for driver comfort. The 2025 RAM ProMaster features a 10.1-inch Uconnect 5 nav touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, enhancing connectivity and convenience. The ProMaster offers two instrument cluster options: a standard analog cluster with a 3.5-inch display and an available 7-inch digital cluster display. These clusters provide essential driving information and alerts to enhance the driving experience. The ProMaster's climate control panel features intuitive controls for temperature, blower speed, and airflow direction, ensuring a comfortable cabin environment. It includes options for air conditioning, recirculation, and defrost modes to adapt to various weather conditions. The 2025 RAM ProMaster is equipped with a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, delivering 276 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This setup ensures robust performance and efficiency for various commercial applications. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators: airbag warning light, brake warning light, battery charge, warning light, door open, warning light, electric power steering, electronic throttle control, engine coolant temperature, adaptive cruise control, air suspension fault, anti-lock brake system, electric park brake, electronic stability control, off, fuel level sensor failure, low fuel warning, low washer fluid, malfunction indicator light, rear axle locker fault, service forward collision, service stop start, Service 4WD, tire pressure monitoring, air suspension ride, height lowering, cargo light on indicator, forward collision warning, air suspension ride height raising, neutral indicator, entry or exit indicator, 4WD indicator, 4WD high indicator, 4WD low, 4-wheel drive auto adaptive cruise control set with target adaptive cruise control, set with no target ECO mode, front fog indicator, headlights on indicator, turn signal indicator, cruise control set, stop start active, cruise control ready, high beam indicator light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.